Come on up, Bill. I am so honored this evening to introduce to you Mr. Phil Oderberg, someone I've known most of my life, through my younger days, listening to Phil on WJMA. Yep, I'm an A at the time. In recent years, we connected. Phil is probably the main reason that I'm standing here today. We worked together on a number of projects. That's when I came to admire Phil for his many talents. He's been a mentor to me. Phil is the type of person, Phil, what you have in your booklet as far as Phil's bio, it does not cover not even a portion of Phil's qualifications, his experience. We can go on and on. But he's been a mentor to me. Phil is very knowledgeable about Orange County history. He shares it, does not want to be out front. You know, Phil he wants us to tell our own story, but he shares what he knows. And over the last few years, he's been instrumental in providing information. Presently, we're working together with the Montpelier Descendants Committee, shout out to them, and the Oral History Project. But you all have his bio. What I'm going to do is to read the letter from Congressman Bender. It says, Phil Oderberg, it is my honor to congratulate you on being named Heritage Keeper at the Orange County African American Historical Society's 2025 Eclipse Award Ceremony. This distinguished honor celebrates individuals whose dedication, leadership, and service continue to uplift and empower our communities. Your commitment to advancing equity, persevering history, and building opportunities for others embodies the true spirit of public service. Your lifelong dedication to documenting the stories, people, and history of Orange County has made an enduring impact on our community. Through your work as a writer, photographer, and filmmaker, you have brought our shared heritage to life and preserved the voices that define it. Your commitment to truth, creativity, and community memory continues to inspire all who value the preservation of history and the power of storytelling to bring people together. As we celebrate your accomplishments, please accept my sincere congratulations and gratitude for your enduring service and leadership. The positive difference you have made in Orange County and across Virginia continues to inspire all who work towards a more just, inclusive, and vibrant future. Sincerely, Eugene S. Finley, Member of Congress. One other story that I would like to share that I took was just the leaders. Phil, we all know Edna Lewis and what a great chef she is, the grand dame of Southern cooking. Phil was a visionary. He interviewed her over 14 years ago. Phil invited Edna Lewis to his home and cooked her a meal. And Phil took her on a horse and buggy ride to some of his work, and our website is in your booklet. I think that you all will be amazed at the work that Theo does. And he is self-trained.
Congratulations, Steve.
I am very honored to receive this award, particularly as a heritage